Killer, thanks again for tuning into yet another video. We have another unboxing here. Okay, so we have, of course, a Lowrider S, and I have a temperature gauge for my Sportster. So I'm wondering, hey, how hot is my Lowrider S getting? Okay, I'm wondering. I'm just curious. I know I have the Dynojet engine temp, but that thing reads that I'm running at 270. 300 degrees. Same thing, if you've seen my video for the Sportster, you guys know that from the Dynojet and my Oil Temp Dipstick is about 200 degrees off. So many people in the forums have mentioned the same thing. I'm just going to repeat myself. People in the forums have mentioned that the engine temp on your Dynojet Power Vision is on your rear cylinder temp or something like that, some type of sensor in your rear cylinder, or something about it being in the head. I'm not entirely sure, but I'm just curious. I want to know how hot the engine is, and it just lets me know if there's something going on, something's not cooling properly, or maybe I need a additional cooling like a Jag external fan assisted oil cooler. Maybe that's what I might be considering, depending on what we find with the Lowrider S. So then this is what this is. This is from, yet again, eBay. Man, this is actually, wow, I am surprised. I am surprised. So this is from Panzoma. I have purchased stuff from them before, of course. If you guys see my videos, the handlebars, the risers, and the my handlebar bag is from these fellas right here, Panzoma. So this is obviously made in China, but this is a machine piece. I am impressed. This is a machine piece, guys. I mean, no joke. So you could see how this is, man, this is well built. I believe I got this for like $40 or something like that. I believe what's it called? Harley Davidson. They sell a digital one, and that goes for, I believe, $100 and something. So that's 3 times the price of this. But man, this is a really, really nice piece. Machined. I mean, this is metal. It's got some weight to it. You also have 2 O-rings as well to prevent, of course, venting the oil or blow by and stuff like that. If you have a Milwaukee 8 or you have a Harley, you guys pretty much know about blow by. And there's also a little servicing key, I guess, right here where you could maybe replace the glass, or this might be plastic. I doubt it's glass, because I mean that's going to be really top notch. So now we could actually read the temperature in our oil, and we'll have a better idea of how hot the engine's getting with the oil temp, of course. So you could also see it's got some grip texture on the side right here, really nice. I'm wondering how this sits on the bike, but it looks like it should sit pretty flat, because on your stock one it has like a knob. So this is really nice. And you could obviously see with the face of the temperature gauge, a white face with black markings. So this looks, I mean, I'm really impressed for the price. Like I said, $40 to $50. I think you should have this in your bike. You should have something like this so you can just see where you're at. And of course, you have the same indicator right here. If you're below this mark, you got to add a quart. If you're up in this area, then you're fine. You're good on oil. So anyways, thanks for tuning in. That's a quick little unboxing. Really impressed with the packaging as well. I mean, this is really top-notch stuff. It's reading 100 degrees right now, or starting to cool down a little bit, but it was in the box, and of course I had it in the sun. Summertime, I believe it's like 95 degrees. So this should start to cool down, and it's starting to cool down on the marking. So man, this is really nice. I'm really impressed. I hope this stays in place, because I mean, that would suck if somehow this were to break and fall into your oil pan. That would suck. But I don't know. You guys can let me know in the comments. Is this something worth getting? Saving yourself potentially $100? I would hope that this is like a full machine piece, all the way up here, and there's like a little, you know, pocket or like a little umbrella or a dish, like a valve that kind of holds all of this together, and that prevents this from breaking and falling down into your oil pan. So anyways, enough rambling. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching yet another video. I'm happy with the 2 purchases. You guys stay out there, stay safe. Life's a risk. Get out there and ride. Later.